My name is Saidat and today I will tell you that why successful people have success and how they believe that they will get success. But poor people don't have belief of their success. Why this is so much difference? Today I will tell you the answer of these two questions. Poor mentality and rich mentality. Why rich mentality got success and poor mentality don't get success on behalf of belief? Because belief is the gradient which is more important for your success. If anybody don't have belief in his abilities, in his thought process, in his mind, then he will not get success. But if he has successful mindset, he has belief, then he will get success. Today I will tell you the main difference is in one word, environment. Environment is the key point for both of beliefs, poor belief and rich belief. Poor belief don't have belief and rich belief have high belief in his abilities, in himself. So how to change your environment, how to change your surrounding so that you may get belief in your abilities. So, first of all, I will tell you, you should read books, you should read articles relevant to your field, listen to interviews, podcasts of successful people who are already successful. And third, third point is make a vision in your mind, and if you will get these things, your mind will not jump from one thought to another or from one work to another, so that you will be a successful. Because if you do these things, your mind will get all answers which are required for success. So prove yourself by implementing environment changes and have a successful life. Thank you.